Are you expecting a new addition to your family and looking for ways to make the experience as joyful and stress-free as possible? In this blog post, we'll explore various ways to promote joy and relaxation during the exciting time of preparing for a baby. From relaxation techniques to fun and safe activities, nutrition for joy, building a support network, and baby prep with joy, we'll cover it all. So, grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's dive into the world of joyful baby preparation together. Relaxation techniques. During my pregnancy, I have found that incorporating relaxation techniques into my daily routine has been essential for my overall well-being. One of my favorite ways to relax is by practicing deep breathing exercises. I find a quiet, comfortable space, close my eyes, and focus on taking slow, deep breaths. This helps to calm my mind and reduce stress, which is so important during pregnancy. Another relaxation technique that has been incredibly beneficial for me is prenatal yoga. Attending a prenatal yoga class not only helps me stay active and healthy, but it also provides a sense of relaxation and connection with my body and baby. The gentle stretches and soothing breathing exercises help to alleviate tension and promote a sense of peace and well-being. In addition to deep breathing and prenatal yoga, I have also found aromatherapy to be a wonderful way to relax during pregnancy. I love using lavender essential oil in a diffuser or adding a few drops to my bathwater. The calming scent helps me to unwind and de-stress, creating a serene environment in which I can fully relax and enjoy the experience of pregnancy. Fun and safe activities. During pregnancy, it's important to stay active and engaged in activities that are both fun and safe for you and your baby. It can be challenging to find the right balance between staying active and avoiding potential risks, but with the right mindset and precautions, it's absolutely possible to enjoy a blissful pregnancy experience through fun and safe activities. One of the best ways to stay active during pregnancy is to participate in prenatal yoga classes. Prenatal yoga is a gentle and low-impact way to stay fit, increase flexibility, and reduce stress. It also provides an opportunity to connect with other expecting mothers and share experiences. Before starting any exercise routine, it's important to consult with your healthcare provider to ensure that prenatal yoga is safe for you and your baby. Another enjoyable and safe activity during pregnancy is swimming. Swimming is a great way to relieve pressure on your joints and stay cool in the heat. It's a low-impact exercise that can help to strengthen your muscles and improve cardiovascular health. Just be sure to choose a pool with clean and well-maintained water and avoid diving or any activities that may pose a risk of injury. Nutrition for joy. As a mother-to-be, I know how important it is to prioritize nutrition during pregnancy. It's not just about eating for two, but about making sure the food I consume is nourishing for both me and my growing baby. Here are some expert tips and tricks for creating a blissful pregnancy experience through nutrition. First and foremost, I make sure to include a variety of nutrient-dense foods in my diet. This means plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats. These foods not only provide essential vitamins and minerals, but also fiber, which helps with digestion, something that can be a challenge during pregnancy. I also aim to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Another important aspect of nutrition during pregnancy is avoiding certain foods that can be harmful to the baby. This includes caffeine, raw fish, and unpasteurized dairy products. I also make sure to limit my intake of processed and high sugarous foods, as these can lead to unhealthy weight gain and other complications. By being mindful of what I eat, I am able to create a nourishing environment for my baby to thrive in. Building a support network. When it comes to preparing for a blissful pregnancy experience, building a strong support network is essential. Pregnancy can be a roller coaster of emotions and physical changes, and having a support system in place can make all the difference. Here are some expert tips and tricks for creating a solid support network during pregnancy.